Hello Forex traders, welcome to this new video explaining the trades that we have took on Monday. We have today on Monday we have got we had USDJPY trade, we had EURUSD trade, and I think it was DJ. Yeah, we had only 3 trades. And only 3 trades. The first trade that was being called today was USDJPY. As you can see, on the weekly time frame, the weekly trend is bullish, and currently the weekly demand zone, the demand level, is in control. So I'm expecting more bullish movement on USDJPY. And when we go to the lower time frame, on the daily time frame, as you can see, we have a brand new demand zone that was created. That was created after price break solidly the trend line. We had a bearish trend line on this level, and you can see price break solidly and moved by very strong momentum, create 2 ELC candles, and price have already consolidated away. So currently, I was expecting, I was expecting for price to retrace toward the 4-hour demand level or to the daily demand level, so that we can get a new buying opportunity. And currently, we have 4-hour supply zone, daily supply zone, that is in control. So due to this level, daily supply zone, and according that I'm expecting a little bit pullback before the continuation of the weekly trend. I was thinking of looking for selling opportunities on dollar yen. And when I got to the 4-hour time frame, I had a very strong bearish engulfing candle. This candle signifies that the market has already, the bullish momentum has already exhausted. And as you can see, it was within the daily supply zone, and the 4-hour supply zone was reacting and respected. So I was thinking of going short, and I dropped to the 1-hour time frame and see a very strong bearish momentum. Then we had a 1-hour supply level around this level, and by that time it was in control. So I didn't take this trade aggressively around this area, because I was waiting for a confirmation on the smaller time frame, that is 15 minutes and 1 minute time frame. So when I look to the 15 minutes time frame, I saw there was a nice supply zone created, and it was respected. So price, when it is started to fall, I was looking for a nice supply zone on the 1 minute that was correlating with 15 minutes supply. And we had a very good supply zone that was created, a selling area that it takes out the opposing level. So I planned my trade around this level, but the level wasn't that much good. So I was supposed to go lower to the 1 minute, 1 minute time frame. To the 1 minute time frame, and look for possible shorts. So upon the 1 minute time frame, I found that we had this level supply. We had 2 levels of supply. The first one was this of this area, and the second one we had this area on top of it. So they were fresh and a nice supply zone created. So I decided to take a trade on the first level and put my stops above the second level, since I was expecting that if the price did not respect the first zone, but the second zone will be respected. That's why I put my stops above the second zone. So this was USDJPY, and the trade and the stops was about stop loss was about 5 pips with take profit of 70 pips. It is 1 to 14 risk to reward ratio, and currently the price is at the 7%. We are about 35 pips. So before later it has moved about 50 pips, and I've closed some profits, and other profits are running till they take profit. It's a counter trend trade, since the general trend or the major trend is bullish. This was USDJPY trade. Another trade was EURAUD. What a EURAUD trade. I was thinking of taking longs opportunities around this 1 hour, 4 hour demand zone, but the setup become invalid before our stop loss was being taken out. Why was invalid? Because when you look to on the daily time frame, as you can see, this was a Friday candle, the Friday daily candle. This candle has taken about 24 hours to be formed, but the today candles was the formation of the today candles have been taken only less than 24 hours. It was about 8 to 12 hours. This candle was already engulfing the previous day candle or Friday candle. So due to this reason, it was showing that the selling pressure is very strong. So expecting for this level, probability of this level to hold the price and to push up was very low. So I decided to close manually without even our stop loss get hit. We close with few negative hits. This was EURUSD. The only reason was about daily momentum. Selling pressure was very huge compared to the last our previous daily candle. This is EURUSD. Another trade is GBPJPY. GBPJPY, I don't think if we have missed the trade, because the 4-hour trend is still bullish, but the major trend, general trend, high time frame trend from the daily perspective is bearish. So I was thinking of taking a short trade around the daily supply zone. Around the daily supply zone, around this area of 155.485. We have our pending order around this area, so I'm thinking of taking a selling position around this price point. But if the trade will not be triggered, I will wait for this bullish trend line to be solidly taken out and this 4-hour demand zone to be taken out, and then look for clear selling opportunities. But current, my mind and all of my ideas, I'm thinking of taking sell position around it, this. As you can see, the stop loss is about 35 pips and the target is about 500 pips. It's about 14 R 1 to 14 risk to reward. It's about 14.29 risky to reward. This is GJ. Currently the trade is in pending. It is not activated already. And the daily trend is already bearish. Price is reacting to the daily bearish trend line. So yeah, it's a nice selling setup. Our targets will be around this week supply. I mean weekly demand. So this is GJ. And other trades that we are focusing on taking is about USDJPY. I'll be looking for selling confirmation after this pullback ends. Also, USD, I'll be looking for selling opportunities. Same as EUROJPY around this daily supply zone. Another pair is dollar card. I'm looking for buying opportunities around this demand zone. So I'll be looking for buying confirmation on this USD card pair. So let's see. Wait. Also EURAUD. I'll be looking for buying confirmation. Otherwise, I will wait for this price to retrace back to the daily demand zone so as to look for nice buying opportunities. Another pair is Audi card. Currently, I'm finding a nice selling confirmations. Also, we had Euro GBP trade since last week. And today, I've started to play nicely. It didn't hit our stops. So currently, we are moving about 37 pips to 40 pips around this. So we have already, it is 1 to 7 risk to reward ratio, and currently we are in 2%, 2.5%. So it's a nice trade. Let's keep holding. Thank you, everyone, and have a nice trading week.